Grabe.
Ilang rock? Ilang time? 17 minutes. 5.
Alaska boy.
Ano ginagawa kung pinalaking Alaska? Wala? Pinalaking Alaska. Grabe. Alaska boy. Grabe. Second place. Same prize will be given from our congresswoman from the 6th district. 5001. 4,000 pesos goes to Zip Cabines with official time 16 minutes and 56 seconds.
Tayo yung
And our first place, only 13 seconds lang difference from the second place. Grabe. 5306, Ronnie Aldea with official time 16 minutes and 43 seconds. To receive, of course, 5,000 pesos from Honorable Attorney Mercedes Chideng Alvarez, a congresswoman from the 6th District. Runners, and of course, same prize goes to you. Third place and second place will receive 50,000 pesos personal accident insurance and 100,000 pesos for 1 year for the first runner for the first place.
Dapat ka kaysa.
Once again, let's give them a big